What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a different video for everybody. This is filmed on the weekend, but today pretty much what this video is going to be about is me going over my successful trades and kind of what I was in the mindset, kind of the mindset I had when going through. So yeah, let's also what is this video is going to be about is kind of learning what to look for when you're in the markets and what to see and like how you know when to take certain things. So yeah, let's get into it here. So first off, like when you're starting out, usually you're gonna load up your chart. It's gonna look something like this, and so it's up to you as the trader to analyze and see where the market is heading. So if I open up the chart right here, I can already kind of tell, it's kind of going down. So already I'm assuming, let's see if I can draw here. Already I'm assuming a downtrend, right? It's gonna go down. So this is what we get, right? We'll move along here. You want to mark this spike right here because this is like a little spike. You would mark this, kind of draw your trend channel. So now it broke, right? It broke it. So now you might be expecting a new extreme to retest up here. So let's see, do we get it? When we do get it right here. So now it's kind of interesting. Now you're thinking, maybe it's trying to push up because we are along this resistance right here. So now you're thinking, okay, maybe it's starting to push up. Let's see if we can get some more tests here. We got one bounce off the EMA right here. We keep going, and so this is interesting right here, right? So this is where I took my first trade. So when I was in the middle of this and I saw all this, it was going down, then I saw this bump right here, and I saw another bump right here. I'm already thinking it's starting to kind of reverse because it hit the bottom right here, pushed up, traded down, again touched the bottom right here again, and then spiked all the way up. So I'm thinking it's trying to reverse back up. So I was already thinking, I'm gonna try to take a long here, right? So we get it. This is what I initially got right here when I was looking. We have the new high right here, right? This is our new high. So let me get this. So when you're first seeing it, this would be your new high. Right? So you got your new high right here. And then when you're what it's called a second entry long, right? You're looking for a second entry long. Those are basically essentially this. You have to hit the top, right? Looking for the highest point. It goes down, and then see how this candle bar broke above this previous bar? That would be your first entry right here. This is your first entry. If this other bar is still considered you're in your first entry because it broke higher than this one, so technically you're still in your first entry, and then you pull back, and then as soon as this one breaks above the previous bar behind it, this is your second entry, and this is where you would want to take it. You want to take your trade a tick above this signal bar, right? So as you're going along, this is what it looks like real time. Like you get that. Okay, now you start your count. Goes down. All right, first entry. Still my first entry. Still my first entry. Boom, second entry. Now the market doesn't look like that. It's a little slower, and like the bars take time. But this is essentially what you're looking for your second entry. So I'm gonna move it over a little bit. So again, why did I take this trade right here is because I got a first entry. It didn't break. This first entry didn't break above. It's also something about second entries is if one of the entries breaks this high first, right? So if this would have broke higher, then you restart your account because that's the new high. But since it didn't break above this one, this did not break above this, so then it came down, broke past this one, and that's when you enter right here. So I took this because it was a high probability setup, right? And what I mean by that is I have my trend line right here. It's bounced off the EMA. I'm already thinking bullish, right? And EMA, this lined up, the signal bar wasn't the greatest signal bar, but the reason why is because we got so much momentum from this. And when I was watching this real time, this hit past here, shot up, and then just skyrocketed right up. So I entered right there, easily got my 4 ticks. Unfortunately though, as we went along, it did reach the top. I had my runner a little too high. I could have scalped out another $100 with my runner, but got too greedy and it stopped out my runner right there. All right, so that was my first trade of the, I think this was the second. I'll have to go back and look, but that was my first trade. Then, you know, the market kind of breaks the channel right here. Had some weird congestion, and so now I'm thinking maybe it was just a fluke. Maybe the market's correcting itself back down, and now I'm thinking, so we got this spike down right here. It broke this trend line or this trend channel, and price action trading, you gotta obey the rules of price action. If it breaks a channel, you're expecting a new extreme. So this was going down, it broke this channel, so now I'm already expecting a new extreme. So I believe it's gonna go down. So I'm looking for a second entry short, and I did get one, as you can already see, second entry short. So what's a second entry short? Why is it different from a second entry long? Well, I'll tell you. Second entry shorts are you basically saying the market's going to go down, right? Second entry longs is your market's going to go long. So basically what I explained for the long, it's reverse. So instead of looking for the new high, you're looking for the new low. So let me mark that here, right? New low. New low. See, that's your new low. That's your new low. And then second entry, right? So now you're looking for same thing over here, but reverse. So there's your new low, right? Comes down, breaks the previous bar, right? This broke past this one. So that's your first entry. Pull back right here. And then your second entry, because this breaks past this, and it's a beautiful signal bar off the EMA right here. I entered right there, got my scalp, right. Also got a fat runner on this one. I think I did. No, I closed it out a little bit early. Yeah, I closed my runner out early because I got too skeptical. But if I didn't close it out, I would have gone down more. But yeah. Second entry, and you can see second entry after it just climbed down, you could have had a fat runner there. But yeah, I hope this video kind of helped explain why I took these trades and what second entry longs, second entry shorts are. Again, I'm still also learning this. I get my information because I study price action. The two YouTubers that I have studied under, well, not studied under like directly, but watched their YouTube videos and learned my information from, is Thomas Wade and Pat's Price Action Trading System. Those two guys are legends. They make great video content and great to learn from them. That's how I've been learning, and it's been starting to work for me. So I highly suggest to go check out their videos while you're tagging along and looking at mine, so we can all learn and grow and watch and become successful traders. Because yeah, so if you enjoyed today's video, guys, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody tomorrow in the daily my daily day trading videos. All right, thanks, guys. Peace.